Hello, today we're going to show you some examples of how to build a Python function. Alright, now for our first example, I want to create a function where I would get the sum of two numbers. Alright, let's start off with using a user-defined function with the word def. Okay, followed by the name of the function. Let's just call it sum since we are adding two numbers. Okay, now inside the parentheses, we want to add the two variables that we wish to add. So let's say A and B. Okay, add a colon. Okay, the second line of code, type in the formula which would be return A plus B, since again we want to add these two variables. Okay, all right, next here we're going to add the numbers, okay, that we want to add. Let's just equal this to 10. Okay, and the next line of code, y equals 10. Right, next we're going to use the print function to display the results when we run the program. Okay, now inside the parentheses we're gonna type in the sum of, okay, the sum of, and then close it real quick, add in x, comma, and then and, comma, y, comma, is, right, and then comma, and then this is when we'll add in the, or combine the two. Okay, so x, comma, y, and then parentheses. Okay, after this we're just gonna go and click run. Okay, here it says the sum of 10 and 10 is 20. Okay, all right, that's how you add two numbers in Python. All right, another example would be greeting someone. Have a good day. Okay, we want to do this. Delete all that. All right, now again add in the user-defined function and add in the word or the function greeting. Okay, now inside the parentheses we want to put in name. Okay, name, and then comma, then put MSG to have it as message, but a short term. Okay, and then we want to equal it to the message that we want to say, which is have a nice day. Okay, close it and add a colon. Okay, next we're going to put the print function. Okay, put the print function inside the parentheses. We're going to say hello to start off the message. All right, since we have both these ones, name and then message, we're just going to add in name plus the message. Okay, in the next line of code we want to put it here. Okay, we're going to call this function again. Okay, right here. Now inside the parentheses, this is when you say the desired name that you want to greet. Okay, so let's say we want to greet John. Okay, and then close it. We just have to click run. All right, here you have it. It says, hello John, have a nice day. Okay, all right, for our next example, we want to get the square of a value. Again, we want to use the word def as a user-defined function and name the function square since we are squaring it. Okay, Now inside the parentheses, we want to put value, okay, followed with the colon. Next line of code, we're just gonna include a value, okay. This, we are naming our value right now, okay, and equal it to the value, and then multiply it. This gives the square of a number, then multiply it by 2. Okay, next we're going to return a value. Okay, this is where we're gonna return a value, okay, to return it. And then next line of code, we're going to assign a variable to num equals square. Alright, now inside the parentheses, this is where you will add the number that you want to square. Let's just put in the number 5. Okay. Alright, next we want to print it using the print function. Okay, inside the parentheses, you're going to type this one, okay, num. Close it, and then run it. Okay. Oh. Okay. All right, there we go. The result of squaring 5 is equal to 25. All right, that is it for all the examples of how to create user-defined functions in Python. I'm sure there are more examples out there that you can use. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you. Have a nice day.